Little less clearer now. The fog is gone, and I just stuck around so that I can show you guys a better view of the waterfall. Alrighty, here we go. Absolutely gorgeous, yeah. Right there. Just wanna jump in, bro. This is absolutely gorgeous, man. This is unreal. Mind-blowing. But the fog is gone and it's a little clearer now, so you can see the town better. Gotta be careful, it's all mud. Going down would be a little challenging, but look at this, man. Awesome. Right, time to head down. Gorgeous. Seems like out of those movies, you know, like Kung Fu Panda or something. I think I said this one more time before. Going down would be a little challenging. But let's see. Going down, it's pretty easy because the stairs are here, except for there's one place further down where there's no stairs, so that's a little challenging. But apart from that, I would say it's a pretty easy hike if it's not raining or climb, or maybe moderate for those that don't really go outdoors that much. But I would definitely recommend coming to this place. It's definitely worth it. I can't wait to see the river. The rain seems to be gone, but can't wait to see the river, what it looks like. The rest of the way is pretty chill, just like how I came up. Just a little further down, and then it's just the path that goes to the highway. And then from there I'll be catching the bus, so I'll just meet you there. I'm back at the highway. Let's go check out the river, see what it looks like now. It's really, really bad. I guess we'll see in a minute. That looks really bad. You can smell the mud. Well, it's time to head back. I'll be catching the bus from here. Hopefully none of the bridges have gone. But I'll be going to Manali, and then I'll be catching another bus to the other waterfall. See you then. See you inside the bus. I asked a couple of guys how much the taxi would cost, because apparently there's no bus that goes back from here to Manali, and all of them said that it'll be pretty expensive because there's a traffic jam in front. You can already see it from here. and I think the traffic jam goes for the next 1 or 2 kilometers. So I think I'm gonna just stroll it out. I'll just walk down. It's not that far, honestly, and I'll just have my snacks while walking down. I thought that walking was way better of an option than catching the bus. Look at this, man. Everybody's just standing by the road watching the river. It's nice and cold. It smells dirty though, but yeah. When you get closer to the river, it's really cold. I'm here at Manali bus stop, bus stand, and it took a little longer than I expected, but the walk was fun. It was really nice and chill. I'll be catching the bus now to go to the next waterfall. इतने बंदे It's a 12-minute bus ride from Manali. Just got off the bus. Walking up to this shortcut. On the map it really doesn't say how long it will take, because it's not really like a official road. It's kind of like a shortcut, you know. So probably take 10-15 minutes and then I should be there. It's gonna take a minute, but you can actually see the waterfall from here. It's right over here. See it a bit. It's a nice walk, uphill, but nice, quiet. You can see apple trees around, couple of houses. But apart from that, it's just uphill, nice and quiet, peaceful. Almost there. See you at the waterfall. Seems like there's a little bit more climbing left to do. The old enemy stairs. It's a nice walk though. It's all forest. It's alright. Climbing up, it's pretty long. I don't think it is that long. Shouldn't be that bad, right? Like, I don't know, 10 minutes. That's alright. For the path. Looks nice. Makes it easier as well. Come this far, might as well go all the way, right? The hard part. So once I'm on top, it's like 90% of the walk is done, because coming down is like what, 10% effort. Alright, top, and we've made it. We have made it. We have made it. Is it? Is it? It is. Alright, we're here. We to the top. This side view is nice, but can't really see the waterfall. Let's oh, it's it. Oh, okay. I was trying to climb that way. Yeah, these trees blocking the view. You can see it a little. This is the waterfall. We'll be there in a minute. Here, nice and windy because of the waterfall. Pretty, not bad for a day, huh? Water is cold, man. It is cold. This side is incredible. So, if you guys like the video, drop it a like and follow or subscribe. Till next time, take care, be safe, go out there, do something fun. Peace.